Welcome back everybody to Southside Boy Style. Today we're going to finish the door for the 2009 Chevy Impala. We're going to base coat it and clear coat it. It's a beautiful, nice sunny day here. It's nice and warm in the garage, so I think everything is going to go pretty good. I'm going to set you guys up now so you can watch the video. Here's the door. It's all prepped, cleaned, primed, wiped down. Everything's ready to be painted. So we're going to get at that right now. And I'll keep you posted. First thing we're going to do is mix up some paint. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that. This is the paint for the 2009 Impala. Just going to give it a shake, twist it around. It's been sitting for a while, so shake it up. I'm going to open it up and I'm going to give it a stir. Stir it up because it's been sitting for a couple of weeks. I don't want no sediment in the bottom. I'm hoping this paint's going to turn out the proper color. Sometimes it's a color indifference. So I'm going to give it a nice shake. Well, I gave it a nice shake. Now I'm going to give it a nice stir. I'd say that's probably enough. Lay that up here. Okay, now bring over the gun. You guys see this? Yeah, you can see this. We're gonna pour it in the gun. That's bad enough. Lid back on, just 1 second. Okay, first I'm gonna set my gun. I'm just gonna give it a couple squirts outside there to make sure my pressure is right, everything is correct. Okay, now I'm going to get my mask, my gun set up, my pressure is good. Put my mask on.
and that'll be the last coat. I'll wait about 15-20 minutes and start to clear. Right now I'm going to wash the gun. I'll get back to you. Okay, now I'm going to mix up some clear coat. So I'm using Proform medium activator for PF688C, sorry. But that's the activator I'm using, and I like the Proform. So this is the Proform to use with that activator right there. So I'm mixing it 4-to-1 ratio, and show you right now. Okay, so 4-to-1 ratio right there. So I'll put 4-to-1. So watch.
Whoops, a little bit of leakage. Oh, this is just pouring right out. It's not doing right at all. I can't get the top off. The top off. Ooh. Now this one will go up to the 1. So 4, I'll go up to the 3, you understand? There you go. For that, my fingers are completely stuck together. We'll pour it in together. I'll shake it up inside the gun. Okay, get the lid. Okay, now we're going for the second coat. As you can see, This is a 2-coat finish. So that's a 2-coat finish. I'll get right back to you when the door is installed on the car. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. And I'll get back to you soon. Well, here it is, finished. I'm going to say I'm not pleased with the color match on the door. My job come out perfect. The door is perfect. Everything is nice. My job came out perfect. This is where I done the bodywork on the bottom of the door. As you can see, my issue is the paint mixture by bumper to bumper. That's the problem. This is twice I've had this issue with paint color. And as you can see, the door is a different color, completely different color. So I have to get a hold of them, and this time they're going to have to do something about it. I'm not going to be the one doing all the work again. They're going to have to do something about this. It's not so much as giving me back paint to do it, and then I got to do all the work over again. What about my clear coat? What about my taping? What about my work put into it? This is too many times I'm having color issues. Too many times, and that's major color issue. I give them the codes from the car, the paint codes, they should be able to mix it. This is really not acceptable. I mean, it sucks because it's such a good job. The actual painting itself is perfect. Everything is perfect. You can see the clouds in the sky as I'm looking at the paint on the side of the car. But it's a different color. Which, if I'm painting something and I'm in the garage, I'm not going to come out and dab some paint on the side of the car. You can't tell by a can with wet paint if you can match it with the color that's on the car. So this to me absolutely sucks. So it was a lot of work, a lot of effort, and at the end of the day I'm stuck with a different color door. And this is something I'm going to have to stop buying paint there. I'm going to have to get it from somewhere else. Because that's too much work, too much effort to put in and have to do it all over again. I mean, I painted all the insides of this door. If you remember, this door was black. I did everything. My job was 100%. Their job was a complete disaster. If they can't mix paint properly, they shouldn't be mixing paint at all. Because what if I painted, you know, it's not so bad if I painted the full car. If I was painting the full car, who cares? A little bit of color indifference. But when you're putting it on a car like this, and I mean, the color indifference is just way too much to be acceptable. So, I'm going to have to do something about that. But thanks for watching. I'll get back to you on another project. I'll let you know what's going to happen with this car. I'm completely disgusted with this job. Completely disgusted with the way they mixed the paint for this car. But I'll get back to you and on the next project, and I'll let you know what's going on with this. Thanks a lot for watching. Please like and subscribe.